Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Election Commission not happy with the reply submitted by Health Director on job recruitment, refers the matter to Chief Election Commissioner, all polling booths to be centrally connected. Shripad Naik supporters and well-wishers aggressive on his candidature from Porvorim, want BJP MP to fight as an independent if party denies him ticket. UGTP changes its stand on alliance with GVP in 24 hours, says both the parties agreed on seat sharing only in Salsett. Vishwajit Krishna Rao Rane joins BJP confident of victory over Pratap Singh Rane. Nehru Stadium is all set to bathe in 1,500 lux light. GE hurries up finishing task after missing the earlier deadlines. And host Babu Brothers advance into next round in 2020 cricket. And now the news in detail. Now the Health Director has to reply to the Chief Election Commissioner for not submitting the proper report on recruitment in the Health Department. Election Commission informed that all the polling booths will be connected to main office in Panji to keep a close vigil on bogus voters. There are possibilities that voting process may start 1 hour early, that is at 7 in the morning. Now, Health Director Rajnanda Desai is answerable to the Chief Election Commissioner. There are claims that huge appointments were made even when Code of Conduct was in force. Sources say that Rajnanda Desai has not submitted proper report to the Election Commission.
Whether those orders were actually issued on 22nd or whether they were issued after the announcement of the election. So in this regard, we did not get any satisfactory answers from the head of department there, or from the health department, and therefore we have sent the report to the CEO's office.
15 companies of paramilitary forces have been asked to keep close vigil on election booths. Election officer will take into account news reported by the media. Each voting booth will have a computer along with the webcam. Photos of each voter will be captured and thumb impression will be saved. All the booths will be connected to the main office in Panji.
We will capture each and every polling station on an online basis. So whether this is going to be intranet or internet, and whether it is going to be made available to the public, political parties and everybody, is a decision which is under consideration. I will let you know as and when the decision comes.
Chief Election Officer has approved poll monitoring system. There are possibilities that voting will be held for 10 hours. Counting will be held at VM Sargaonkar College in Panji.
This proposal was considered by the Election Commission of India, and ECI has now approved the implementation of a poll monitoring system for the whole state.
Till now, Election Commission has received 16 complaints. It also includes complaint against Babu Asgaonkar for distributing money in his constituency. Earlier, Joint Chief Electoral Officer N. Nauti was addressing media, but now District Election Officer Mihir Vardhan will address media once in a week. Sources say that Commission officials are being pressurized for giving complete information to the media. Our reporter Devidas Kamre with video journalist Sushant Pearl. Shripad Naik camp is getting aggressive for his candidature. Supporters of BJP MP want him to contest as an independent if BJP denies him ticket from Porvorim. Many well-wishers and supporters of Shripad held a meeting on Tuesday night at Raibandar and strongly voiced for his candidature.
Supporters and well-wishers of Shripad Naik have demanded that he could contest from Porvorim. But the national leadership of BJP seems not so keen on his returning to the active state politics. The supporters of Shripad Naik are agitated with the delay in decision on his candidature. They organized a meeting at the Sai Baba temple in Raibandar on Tuesday night to discuss on the issue. Supporters have asked Shripad to contest the assembly poll as an independent if BJP denies him the ticket from Porvorim. But Shripad said such a situation may not arise.
म्हाका पूर्ण विश्वास आसा की लिडरशीप आहा पार्टीची तेजे निश्चितपणे जनभावना लक्षांत घेवन निर्णय बरो दितले म्हणून. प्रत्येकाचें मत आसा तें प्रत्येकाचें मत ताणें मांडपाचें. अशे निर्णय घेवपाची पाळीच येवची ना, प्रस्तूच येवपाना. पक्षाचें नेतृत्व हें आसा म्हणजे तशें हुशार आसा आनी तातूंत अशें म्हणपाची पाळी मागीर परत म्हणटा की अशें करपाची पाळीच येवची ना.
Dr. Suraj Kanekar said that a strong person like Shripad should be active in local politics.
आज गोवाचें राजकारण जें आसा तें एक बऱ्या लिडराच्या हातीन वचून जें कितें करप्शन जाता तें खंय तरी बंद जावन सगळे गोंयच्या लोकांक एक बरें राज्य मेळून बरो संवसार करपा खातीर मुखार दीस येवचे हाका लागून आशिल्ले आनी त्या खातीर सगळे लोक भाऊ कडेन एक चरित्रवान लिडर अशें म्हणून पळयता.
Faisal Tonse and Sushant Mandrekar informed that Shripad will win with majority if he contests the poll.
तेज्या नांवा वयल्यानूच आमगेली भारतीय जनता पार्टी मॅक्झिमम सीट फक्त नांवाचेरूच आनी मायज हाडून आमी मेजॉरिटीन आमी राज्य रूल करपाक शकता.
गोंयान भाऊची अत्यंत गरज आसा कारण जे आयज जे कितें चल्लेलें आहा हें योग्य चलना.
हांव एकलोच मुस्लीम कम्युनिटीच्यान म्हाजे थोडे जाल्यार आमी वी ऑल मुस्लीम एवरी वन ऑफ गोवा सपोर्ट भाऊ भाऊ जिंदाबाद.
Our reporter in Panji Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
UGDP has changed its stand on alliance with the Goa Vikas Party within 24 hours. Sources say that UGDP members are not united on seat sharing. UGDP's Vice President Radharao Gracious said that both the parties have agreed on seat only for Salsed. Kortali is still a bone of contention. In another political development, Vishwajit Krishna Rao Rane has joined the BJP. He is confident of victory over Pariya MLA Pratap Singh Rane. Vice President of the UGDP, Radharao Gracious, seems not happy with the distribution of seats. Sources say that all the members of UGDP are not united on distribution of the seats. Gracious says that seats are finalized only for Salsed. He also said that GVP is claiming Kortali's seat, in which UGDP is having a strong hold. Gracious also says that there are around 15 constituencies in which candidates are ready to contest on UGDP ticket.
We have only worked out Salsed. Beyond that, no other thing has come before the party. And that is what Anaklak told me today, that is what was said yesterday, that is what was the understanding with Miki Bashir. Therefore, it is not correct that UGDP has given up claim to all the other seats. Not at all. We have got very strong contenders for seats in all over Goa.
Earlier on Monday, UGDP and GVP had announced their alliance. Both the members of party were present for the announcement. It was announced that GVP will contest 33 seats and UGDP 3 seats.
Shortlisted are candidates. Okay. But as I have said again, even if Miki has candidates in this, we will prefer to sit and work out. If suppose nothing works out, then we go ahead. As a party, we are bound to contest, man. We will contest wherever we feel we have a chance.
Meanwhile, BJP's Pariya candidate is almost finalized. Vishwajit Krishna Rao Rane joined the BJP on Wednesday. He claims that he can defeat Pratap Singh Rane with a margin of 4,000 votes if he is given a BJP ticket.
लोक वाजल्ल्यात त्याबद्दल तोय लोकांक वाजल्ला जो नो 40 निवडून येयलो तो आणि लोकांक अशें आसा की एकदा तरी पर्यान बदल घडोवपाचो आणि जी उपस्थिती आमची जमल्या त्याच्यापासून अशें दिसता की यंदा बदल 100% आहा.
Vishwajit Krishna Rao Rane is also known as Baba. Many BJP supporters have forwarded support to him. Our senior reporter from Panji Rakesh Kanolkar, Samir Bhatt with video journalist Onkar Farari. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.